Hi, everybody. Okay, so what we got is a top-down view of the sub panel in the front and all the rat's nest, and me just wandering back and forth, placing boxes everywhere, thinking, what the f am I doing? Where do I put this box, and how do I make these wires work? And I should have taken up boating. So sorry, this is late. This has been both a great and all at once. So in a couple minutes, you're going to see me working on making small LED strips. But first, let's see. We got some updates. My seats are coming in tomorrow. If you're lucky, I might tease a picture this weekend. Oh, it's exciting. Let's see. Do we have any rants? Yes, I have a rant. Quick rant, 1 minute. To working from home. Go f yourself. It's not working from home. It's living from work. Right? Look, I'm the kind of person I like to get up when I'm in like a work mode. I like going into the office, right? I'm one of those people that needs the human contact. I like working with the team and all that. Now, I may have talked about this before. It's awful. And so now it used to be, get up at 5:30 and be on the 5:55 bus for downtown. Be at my office at 6:05, coffee's made, I'm working. I'm talking with my offshore teams. And I'm hitting it because at 2 o'clock, after 8 straight hours of just crushing it, I go home. Not now. Now it's get up, I don't know, 6:37, scratch my balls, feed the cat, maybe take a shower. My first meeting used to be at 7 o'clock, but now it's moved to 9 o'clock, so it's like, you know what, I don't care anymore. Working from home can just lick my balls. Alright, so put the canopy back on so we can see what it looks like. Yes, we remember what it all looks like. It's very pretty. So now let's get on to what's important. Alright, so wiring up the LEDs. So if at the bottom right-hand corner of the video, you will see a nice LED strip. So the idea is that I bought 2 LED strips. These are kind of flexible LED strips. They're both single color, and they have this really nice 3M double-sided material in the back. So you can actually cut these, right? So you can cut these and make any length well, not any length. You cut them in 2-inch segments, but you can make any length of a 2-inch segment that you want. These are like 20 bucks a piece from Spruce. I've got one red one and a blue one, and the idea is that I want to have 2 sets of LEDs in the plane, right? I want a blue set and a red set. Blue is for daytime, red is for nighttime. Well, that was my original idea. Then it dawned on me. What the hell do I need blue for in the daytime, right? If I'm going to need lights on, it's because it's dark, and I'm going to want red so I don't ruin my night blind. So I'm saving the blue for something else, but I'm using the red now. So here we are wiring them together. So all of these lights, the way that they're made is that the LED bulbs are actually sitting on top, and they're, very thinly soldered into 2 copper strips that go down to the very bottom. And then, of course, they're just covered in this rubber material. So the trick with these is that you want to turn them, right, there's little lines on there with scissors. And, I'll see if I can find a picture. I don't think I have one. But you cut them where the little scissors, there's a little icon of some scissors. So you cut them there, and then what you do is you flip them over. You remove, I don't know, about 3/8 inch of the double-sided sticky material. And then get your knife and scrape the protective, like, plastic cover off. It's this very thin cover, and that covers the copper. You need to do that because without it, you won't really have enough surface. Did you see me, how long it took me to solder that first one up? That's because all I had was this tiny little patch. Right? You have to just scrape it off, and it's very easy. Takes no time. Once you do that, soldering it on is no problem. Now I would recommend some shrink wrap and stuff like that. So I'm going to have one long one underneath the panel, and then I'll have some mood lighting in the wheel wells. Well, I'll show you all that later. So anyway, sorry the video was late. Thank you for joining me. See you soon.